The surprise party.
Listen to the story, complete the sentences, answer the questions. It is Emma's birthday today. She has a big surprise party at her friend Lisa's house. Emma doesn't know about the party. It is a secret. Lisa invites a lot of people. There are friends, family, and some colleagues. There is music, dancing, and delicious food. There is a big chocolate cake, and there are balloons in many colors. There are also candles on the cake. Everyone is happy and excited. Lisa and her friend Max decorate the room. They put plates, glasses, and napkins on the table. There is lemonade, wine, and beer for the guests. There are snacks like chips and cookies too. At 8 p.m., Emma arrives. She opens the door and everyone shouts, "Surprise!" Emma is very happy. She smiles and laughs. There is a lot of dancing and singing. People talk and enjoy the party. At the end of the night, Emma cuts the cake. Everyone eats and says, "This cake is delicious. There is a great time for everyone." It is a wonderful party for Emma. There are a lot of happy memories for all the friends. Now complete 10 sentences and answer 10 questions about the text. Thanks for watching.